Louise, Miss Failing here with your reading lesson for Monday, March 30th. Oh my gosh, March is almost over. We have one more day after today, and then it's April. But anyways, reading. So we're going to get back to our Reach for Reading this week, and here is our chart from the classroom. We are in Unit 7. Which our big question for Unit 7 is, if you remember back, because we've already done 2 weeks of it, the difference between then and now, and how things may have changed. A lot has changed. How things might be still similar in some ways, but really the difference between then and now. So that is our big question for this unit. We still have this week and one more week, and then we will be into Unit 8. But I'm going to move it down to Week 3, Unit 7, Week 3 vocabulary. And I'm going to go over the words today, and then you're going to do a little mini activity, word work activity that you would do in your stations when we do Daily 5, something that all of you have done, so it should be a good review. So, here we go. I'm going to go over it. I want you to repeat it, okay? So I will say the word, and then you're going to say the word. So here we go. Old, new, record, music, easier, better, build, invent, machine, modern, tool. And you can see over here we have a picture using our old, new, record, music, easier, and better. And old, this is a record player that has a record on it. My dad still has one of these. He loves his records. It's pretty cool. Maybe your parent or grandparent or someone might have an old one. New, so old versus new. This is how they used to listen to music. Some people still listen to music using a record player, but this is the new way, with like a tablet or an iPod, listening to music. Okay, the old record player is fun to use, using record. But the new way to play music, there's your music for vocabulary word, sounds better. It is easier to carry with you. You would not want to carry this around. This you can carry in your pocket if you're going for a walk or you're going jogging or something like that. Okay? Then we have over here, build. You can build things with blocks. I'm going to show you. I have a little friend right here. Say hi, Gabby. She's not quite sure what's going on, but she wants to be a part of it. Anyways, you can build things with blocks. Invent. People invent things like the telephone. Machine. This machine washes dishes. There's lots of machines that do different things. Modern. This cell phone is more modern than the old phone. So things that have been updated, improved, like computers, they're always coming out with new versions. Computers, phones, iPhones, they're more modern. So they're updating them with different things. And then a tool. Okay, you have lots of tools in your classroom that you use. This is saying a dictionary is used as a tool. You guys have tools for math. You have tools for science, whether that's a magnifying glass, a measuring tape. Obviously, there's tools. Your number line is considered a tool, but they're saying a tool is like a dictionary. People use a dictionary as a tool to understand words. So, those are your vocabulary words for this week. We will go over them. We'll review them every day, but there's your introduction to them. So now I'm going to take you over and explain your activity for today. So, I'm going to bring in our Daily 5. You're going to do your word work activity for today. You're going to do a 4 square. This 4 square is a little different than last week. Last week I did it with you and you made a little circle in the middle. No circle, just strict 4 square. Okay? So you can get a plain piece of paper, If you want, you can do it on your slate and just divide your slate up into 4 squares. You do not need the circle in the middle. Okay, you can fold it, and then fold it again, or you can just draw your lines. But this should look familiar. This is what you've done in word work in our classroom. So, first square says vocab word. You're going to have to go back in the video and pause it and choose a vocabulary word of your choice. Whether that's old, new, record, music, better, easier, whichever one you want to choose, but make sure you're able to explain that word in your own words, which goes to our second square, definition. Okay, we've talked about defining something. A definition is describe what is it, okay, in your own words now. Now, yes, you can look up on a dictionary or on the computer the definition of record or the definition of music, and they're going to give you one, but I want you to describe it in your own words. Okay, so using your own words, if I chose music, what is music? What would I say? Okay, then the third square, you are going to use the word you chose in a sentence. Not another word, okay? Not just a random sentence, the vocabulary word you chose. So if you chose music, okay, you are going to use music in a sentence. I listen to music when I work out. That would be my sentence, okay? Then, after that, and look right here, you have cups there for your reminder. After that, then, you're going to draw a picture of your vocabulary word. Maybe I would draw a picture of me running with my headphones in and listening to my music. It would have, like, sound coming out. Could be by picture. So, this is your activity for reading. You are going to, like I said, do the vocabulary words with me, and then this is your follow-up activity, your 4 square, your word work activity. So, have fun, Smarties. This is your reading lesson for today, and I will be back with your math and social studies lesson a little later. Bye for now.